Yo, what is up, guys? We're coming back with the second part of that video that I just recently came out with. We're going to be doing a content creator with ChatDev, and I'm going to show you how to do it right here. Let's dive into it. Okay, so you can see here on the left, if I just minimize the warehouse, if we go into company config, and if you look at default, you have these three different JSON folders, files. So the first one is the chat config. So we have the phases, demand analysis, language choose, coding, blah, blah, code review. You guys can read through this. AI Jason explains it, and there's probably other people out there that explain it too, but I'm going to just dive right into it. Another folder here is the phase config. So assistant, you have the, start messing it up here. We have the assistant role's name, chief productive officer, user role name, coding, assistant roles name, programming. So these three files here is what you can customize to your liking. So right here, the roles, we have the chief executive officer, chief product officer, counselor, chief technology officer, chief human resource officer, programmer, code reviewer, software test engineer, and chief creative officer. So you need to change those three. And then if you come over here to ChatDev phases, and we're going to come to around line 320, we're going to add in our own personal stuff. So what we're going to do, we're just going to create a new folder in here, call this social B. No. And within there, we're going to create three files. So we're going to do a chat chain config.json file, and we're going to do a phase config.json, and we're going to do a role config.json. Yo, what's up, JSON? Okay, so coming to the chat config, and you're just gonna copy this code. I'll leave a link in the description below for the code I used for this. It will be on my website. If you give me just a couple days to get it organized and upload it. Next here, the phase config. We're just gonna copy this. We got our idea generation, assistant role, marketing director, and content generation, assistant role name, marketing specialist. Okay. And we're gonna go into our role config. And we're gonna copy this, and I'll just give you guys a quick peek of this over here. Oh, pause the video, obviously, if you didn't see it. And now we're gonna run this. Make sure to save. And just joking, of course, we forgot one thing too. We have to add, we're going to come into the phases folder right here, and we're at the line 320. We're going to paste in the code here for idea generation and here for class generation. We go space or enter, save that, pop open the terminal, just come up here, click on new terminal. Okay, now we're gonna come and we're gonna say Python run.py -config, and we're gonna use, instead of the default file which created the snake game, we're gonna use this social B folder with these JSON files within it to run our content creator. So we're gonna do config social B, and then the task, we're gonna give it drive more people to subscribe to my newsletter called Houston Solutions, where I share how to build AI products. And then we're going to give it the name, And we're gonna call it Houston Solutions Newsletter. Okay, and then we're gonna click enter, and we're gonna see how these little agents work together to create me content. Okay, well, it looks good. Look at this. We must only, any of us must actively terminate the discussion by picking the best idea and replying with the one line that starts with a simple word. Okay, well, this will probably take a minute to load. And of course, I have an error. Tennessee. You know what that is? That is something to do with the API key. Gosh darn it, man. Gotta do it again. All right, let's go. All right, let's create another one. Let's go. Content copy that, and then obviously you could just do this in a notepad, but that's here, and then copy that, paste that there, call that by that, and then come back to here. Okay, and come back into here, and what the heck? Put the API key in, resubmit that, and let it load. Loading. Come back. Let's go. No, we must only discuss the content and do not discuss anything else. Okay. Ooh. So this costed us a grand total of $0.25 which is very expensive. And we can see in over here, it generated the file. If you look at that right there, okay, you can see, so what does it got? Ideas. An animated video series showcasing real life examples of AI products and their impact on various industries. Very good idea. And then it has some cool stuff here. Introducing Houston Solutions, your gateway to the world of AI product development. Join our newsletter and unlock the secrets behind building cutting-edge AI solutions and revolutionize industries. Subscribe now and gain exclusive access to an animated video series showcasing real-life examples of AI products and their impacts on various industries. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stay ahead of the curve. Sign up today at www.houstonsolutions.com/newsletter. Dude, that's a great idea, actually. Hashtag AI, hashtag newsletter, hashtag innovation. That's actually pretty good. All right, so you can see how this can help, and it's just gonna get better because the next video I'm gonna show is is AutoGen, and that is makes this thing look like a little bitch. All right, please follow, like, and subscribe, guys, and please chuck a comment if you enjoyed this video and if you'd like to see more, and let's keep pushing on one video at a time. Have a good one. Peace.